It's the bloody one, yet its story is so much fun. The central thing is the heart, which is most important part. Is there are four different chambers. Let's name all its members: the right ventricle, the left ventricle, the right atrium, and the left atrium. One more time: the right ventricle, the left ventricle, the right atrium, and the left atrium. Now your turn. Dun, 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 dun. What does it do? Do you have a clue? The blood goes into the heart through the right atrium, which is at the top of a stadium. It receives blood without oxygen. We still are in chamber 1. The blood moves to the right ventricle. It moves in a hustle. The ventricle pumps it to the lungs. In a day, there's many tons. The lungs is where the blood goes. This is where CO2 goes away. This is where diffusion takes place. Oxygen takes that place. The blood moves back to the heart, to the third part of the wonderful art. The left atrium is where it goes, and it just moves on to the last pose. The left ventricle is the last thing. Isn't that just a nice feeling? Okay, what does it even do? It just lets blood go through to the body using capillaries, going back and forth for deliveries. The veins and arteries are the things which transport blood around to every place in the body that can be found. The veins send blood from the heart, arteries bring it back to the main part. It pumps blood all around in every place that's found. This story goes around like a merry-go-round. Please subscribe.